I bought this item because I wanted to keep my car clean and add some style to it. I use it to protect the inside of my car doors, cup holders, and console from spills and dirt. The set comes with 14 pieces in a bright yellow color made to fit the 2024 Chevy Trax models. They're made from a tough, flexible rubber that's easy to clean and stops things from sliding around. These mats fit perfectly, don't smell bad, and make the inside of my car look nice. They're super easy to put in and take out, and cleaning them is a breeze. I really recommend these mats. They do exactly what they're supposed to, look good, and are made well. If you have a 2024 Chevy Trax and want to keep the inside looking good and free from mess, these are for you.